Okay, so now this is very important. You have to understand, or you have to memorize this, the concept. We have in the north, northern mountains, then northern plains, in the south, the peninsular plateau, in the west, we see the Indian desert, and near the plateaus we see the coastal plains and two island groups which are Maldives and Andaman Nicobar. We'll just go through the map. Now here you can see very clearly, ये जो portion है, this is totally mountains. This portion you can see is plain area. This is plateaus. Here you can see the western desert. These are the coastal plains, both sides. And here you see Andaman Nicobar Island. Here you see the Lakshadweep. So these are the different landforms or physiographic divisions which we find in India. Now let's go one by one. So the first thing we have seen is the Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains, we see it's in the northern region. From Jammu and Kashmir, it's totally in the northern part. It goes towards the northeastern states, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So we can say the Himalayan mountains, they start from the Jammu and Kashmir in the west and they end in Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So the Himalayas spread from west to east. They are 2,400 kilometer long. अगर आप लेंथ पकड़ते हैं फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश, द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ दिस हिमालयन रेंजेस और माउंटेन्स इज 2,400 किलोमीटर्स. दे आर 400 किलोमीटर इन विड्थ. अब जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से हिमालयास तक इट इज़ 2,400, लेकिन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में उसकी विड्थ इज अराउंड 400 किलोमीटर्स एंड टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश इट इज़ अराउंड 150 किलोमीटर्स. लंबाई में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक इट इज़ 2,400, लेकिन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में जो विड्थ है टॉप से लेके बॉटम तक इट इज़ अराउंड 400 मीटर्स एंड इट गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग टुवर्ड्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इट इज़ 150 किलोमीटर्स नियर अरुणाचल प्रदेश. सो अंडरस्टैंड लेंथ एंड विड्थ. ओके, नाउ हियर इन हिमालयाज वी सी दैट देर आर 3 काइंड ऑफ रेंजेस. अभी हम थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं टॉपिक को. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हिमालयाज ऑल्सो, इसमें 2 रेंजेस आते हैं. वेन वी कॉल, हमने बात की हिमालयन माउंटेन्स, बट वी सी नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स देर आर 2 रेंजेस और 2 माउंटेन फॉर्म्स. वन इज काराकोरम and before the Karakoram, below the Karakoram ranges is Himalayan mountains. So these Himalayan mountains, ये कोई एक mountain नहीं है. There is no single mountain. It's a range. Range means number of mountains are there parallel to each other. So there is one range. उसके थोड़ा नीचे हमने बात किया था कि there is width of 400 kilometers to 150 kilometers. So यहाँ पे एक mountain नहीं होगा. There will be a range, second range, third range. So Himalayas can be divided into 3 parallel ranges. So now what are these ranges? Let's see. It's on the longitudinal extent, right? हमने लास्ट टाइम देखा था what are longitudes, latitudes. In the if you have any doubts, you can contact me personally. So the सबसे ऊपर का जो range है, the outermost range is called as Great or Inner Himalayas. They are very height, so they are called Great or Inner Himalayas, and they are also called as, in common word, Himadri. Understood? 3 ranges of Himalayas. Topmost range is called as Inner or Great Himalayas. It is also called as Himadri. The highest mountain range is with an average of 6,000 meters. The mountains here, if you take an average height, it is around 6,000 meters. Now I would like to, an interesting fact, the Mount Everest lies in these ranges. So now you will say that the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 kilometers. So why 6,000? We have not taken a single mountain, we are taking average. हो सकता है एक माउंटेन है इट्स 8,000 मीटर्स हाइट, वन इज 5,000 किलोमीटर्स हाइट. सो व्हेन वी एवरेज इट ऑल टुगेदर इट कम्स अराउंड 6,000 मीटर्स height on an average in these ranges. Now if you see the second range is Middle Himalayas. We have seen inner, middle Himalayas is also known as Himachal. Understood? The altitude means height. The height varies between 3,700 to 4,500 meters. हमने क्या देखा? Inner Himalayas we have the average height of 6,000 meters. In the Middle Himalayas or Himachal, the average height is between 3,700 to 4,500 meters. There are certain ranges which include Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat. These are ranges, small ranges. These are important ranges. So now if you come to the third part, which is the outer Himalayas, they are also called as Shivaliks. Now here the Shivalik spelling, there are two kind of spelling, both are correct, Shivalik, and some books we see Shiwalik. So both the spellings are right. So outer Himalayas are also called as Shivaliks, and the average height is from 900 to 1100 meters. It's an average height. Okay, now this longitudinal, now we have seen that the ranges are in longitudinal. Why we are saying longitudinal? Because we see the location longitude wise. There is a longitude, there is a longitude, in between the ranges lie. So they are longitudinal ranges. In longitudinal ranges के बीच में there are certain valleys. You know valley is a plain landform between two different mountains. दो पहाड़ है, बीच में एक घाटी जो बोलते हैं, घाटी है, तो प्लेन लैंड है दो माउंटेन्स के बीच में, जहाँ से लोग ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं, और ये बड़े एरियाज हैं, बड़ी जगह होती हैं दो पहाड़ के बीच में जहाँ लोग रहते भी हैं. So these are called valleys. So these longitudinal valleys, they are also called dunes. आपने दून के नाम सुने, we call it देहरादून, आपने नाम सुना है. So Dehradun is a valley. It's not what we say, it's not in a mountain or something. It's in between two mountains. दो पहाड़ के घाटी में है वो, और we can say वादियाँ, दो पहाड़ के वादी में है. And these longitudinal valleys are called as dunes. This is an additional information. These are called dunes, and example is Dehradun. Now we will see the map so that we can get a clear understanding. Okay, in the map you can see जो northern part है, ये दिख रहा है आपको, ये पूरा, तो जो टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट है ये आता है द इनर हिमालयास, और वी कॉल इट हिमाद्री. सेकंड रेंज जो है बीच में, दैट इज द मिडिल हिमालयाज और हिमाचल, एंड लास्ट जो है जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन के पास में है, दिस रेंज इज कॉल्ड एज शिवालिक और आउटर हिमालयाज. आई होप दिस इज वेरी क्लियर टू यू. नाउ दिस वाज, हमने ये डिवाइड किया है, दिस वेर द रेंजेस, पैरेलल रेंजेस में हमने डिवाइड किया है तीन रेंजेस में. फर्स्ट जो टॉप मोस्ट है दैट इज आउटर हिमालयास और हिमाद्री, सेकंड इज मिडिल हिमालयास और हिमाचल, एंड द थर्ड इज द आउटर हिमालयास और शिवालिक, सॉरी इनर हिमालयास और शिवालिक. ग्रेट. हाइट वाइज हम देखेंगे, टॉप मोस्ट विच इज द आउटर हिमालयास, इन दैट इज द एवरेज हाइट इज 6000 meters. नाउ ओके, आई थिंक आई एम गेटिंग मोर दिस वन. सबसे जो अंदर है पहाड़ों के बीच में, अपर साइड में, दैट इज इनर हिमालयास, वी कॉल इट हिमाद्री. एवरेज हाइट 6000 meters. सेकंड मिडिल हिमालयास और हिमाचल, एवरेज हाइट इज 3700 to 4500 meters. सबसे लोअर दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आउटर हिमालयास और शिवालिक्स, एंड द एवरेज हाइट इज 900 to 1100 kilometers. मैप में आपने देखा है, सबसे जो अंदर वाला पार्ट है, सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड इनर हिमालयास, सबसे बाहर जो है शिवालिक्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आउटर हिमालयास. नाउ दिस वाज रिगार्डिंग, हमने अभी डिवाइड किया इसको इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेंजेस. ऑल्सो दिस हिमालय और हिमालयन माउंटेन्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट सेक्शंस. समझ रहे हैं आप? रेंजेस में हमने डिवाइड किया पहले, नाउ विल डिवाइड इनटू सेक्शंस. देयर इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, व्हेन द हिमालयास लोकल लैंग्वेज, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल पंजाब के जो लोग हैं, दे कॉल इट पंजाब हिमालयास, आसाम के लोग कॉल इट आसाम हिमालयास, नेपाल से जो जुड़े हुए लोग हैं दे कॉल इट नेपाल हिमालयास. तो लोग अपने अपने तरह से इस रेंजेस को नाम देते हैं. सो नाउ वील सी हाउ एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट दैट दिस हिमालयन माउंटेन्स, दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू सेक्शंस बिकॉज ऑफ रिवर्स. कुछ रिवर्स पास हो रही हैं, सपोज दिस इज अ रेंज, एक रिवर, दो रिवर, तो इस दो रिवर्स के बीच का जो एरिया है, इट इज कॉल्ड समथिंग डिफरेंट, again different. So there are 4 sections in which we divide the Himalayan mountains. What are those? So it is given the Himalayas can be divided into 4 sections. The classification is on the basis of regions, जो areas है, and demarcated by rivers. Demarcated means ये river यहाँ से cross हो रही है तो ये mark कर दिया है कि this, that is called demarcation, एक boundary. So it is demarcated by rivers. Now we'll see a small map if possible. Yes, map is there. Now we can see here the Himalayan ranges on the top side. I'll just show you. ये पूरा Himalayan ranges हैं, आप देख रहे हैं पूरा ये, and ये rivers हैं, इंडस, सतलज, यमुना, गंगा, घाघरा, काली, तीस्ता. So clear? And here it is Dihang, or you can say Sangpo. Okay, now coming to this, we'll go into more details further. First we say Punjab Himalayas. Now you can see here the areas between Indus and Satluj. ये जो हिमालयाज हैं they are called as पंजाब हिमालयाज. कोई बहुत याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट इंडस रिवर, सतलज रिवर, इन दो रिवर्स के बीच में जो हिमालयन रेंज है इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज पंजाब हिमालयाज. Now next we'll see. So this is Punjab Himalayas, the Himalayas between Indus and Satluj river. Second you can see the Kumaon. Can you see the mark here? Just a second. Yeah. Can you see this Kumaon Himalayas? Yeah. So these Himalayas you can see it is between Satluj and Kali river. Satluj and Kali river. This is called as Kumaon. Kumaon ranges or Kumaon Himalayas. हम बात कर रहे हैं 4 sections की where according to region and it is rivers, it is demarcated by rivers. So we can see the name of the different sections. Ranges 3 we have seen. Now we are going into the sections. First is the Punjab Himalayas. Second is the Kumaon Himalayas. Third you can see the arrow mark. It is Nepal Himalayas. This is between the Kali and Teesta river. So next is Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Teesta. Again Teesta you can write T-I-S-T-A or T-E-E-S-T-A. Both the spellings are given accordingly in your different books. So we have seen Nepal Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas and Punjab Himalayas according to the region and rivers also. First Indus to Satluj we have seen Punjab Himalayas. Then from Satluj to Kali we have seen Kumaon Himalayas. And then from Kali to Teesta we have seen Nepal Himalayas. Now the last part we call it Assam Himalayas. See the arrow mark on the map. This map is from river Teesta to river Dihang. Understood? Very simple. 4 sections. 4 sections are based on the regions and the rivers which divide them into different sections. So this is Punjab Himalayas, Indus to Satluj river. Second, Kumaon Himalayas from Satluj to Kali river. Then we have Nepal Himalayas from Kali to Teesta river. Then we have Assam Himalayas from Teesta to Dihang river. Dihang river is also known as Sangpo. Sangpo in the Nepal. It comes from Nepal. But in India we call it Dihang. So you should know. Now we are very clear what are tectonic plates, which is the oldest landmass, that is Gondwana land. We have seen the different physiographic features, 6 physiographic features, and we have discussed in detail about the Himalayan ranges. I hope it is very clear now. Himalayan ranges में हमने क्या देखा? 3 different ranges which we see, longitudinal ranges. Then we see the division into sections or classification into sections based on the demarcation of rivers and region. I hope this video is very clear to you. Just go through this video again and again, so that you can get a clear idea. And if you have any doubts, you can just call me. You can take down the notes. ये notes आप अपने notebook में लिख सकते हैं. You can make a fair notebook for geography and you can start taking the notes. With this we end this video. Thank you. All the best.